Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I am Crypto Kip, and Happy New Year, Happy 2024 to everybody. If you are watching the stream right now, congratulations. You made it through 2023, guys. If you were buying in the previous bull cycles for crypto, you made it through a very bloody bear market, and now we've got a couple things going on this year. In this video, I want to talk to you guys. I'm excited. I'm energized. I'm standing. Okay. I want to talk to you guys about my 2024 price predictions, period. I mean, about Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Cronos, some of these other altcoins we've been talking about. There's a lot of great plays out there. BRC20 tokens, guys. The overall market cap. Whoa. We're going to break it all down for you guys today. We got to talk about all this because there's some interesting conversations going on right now. Excuse me. One, a spot Bitcoin ETF, guys. A spot Bitcoin ETF. Buy the rumor, sell the news. We all have heard this 1,000. Which one happens? Who cares? What's my strategy? We're going to talk about this, okay? It's very simple. It's very straightforward. I'm going to start laying out my profit-taking strategies for you guys. I've had a lot of messages from people asking, when do you think this crypto market's going to peak out? This is all part of these predictions. I'm just going to sprinkle in there for you throughout this string. All right, so I'm going to take some questions, guys. We're going to talk about whatever you guys want to talk about today. But let me assess the market for you here, give you my taste on how I feel right now going into the new year, which is honestly pretty darn good. Pretty darn good. I was a little sick over the last week. I'm finally feeling better, and I'm feeling pretty good. All right. So smash the like button if you're feeling pretty good, and welcome back, guys. So let's just go ahead and get right in. So today, Bitcoin is sitting at $42,839, which is fine. That's fine, guys. We went up to $44,000, and we have been just kind of coiling over to the right. Again, everybody, is wondering what's going to happen in the short term with Bitcoin. I don't really care, because I'll just tell you guys, the long-term strategy is the same thing as the short-term strategy for me, and the short-term strategy is the same thing as the mid-term strategy, and the mid-term strategy is the same thing as the long-term and the short-term strategy. All right? What is that strategy? It's to dollar cost average and hold on for dear life. Why? Because for the first time in history, the United States government and the United States economy, should I say, is allowing institutional investors to get into a spot Bitcoin ETF vehicle. Duh! It's going to be epic. It's going to be epic. We're going to make a lot of money, okay? I'm not a financial advisor. None of it's financial advice, but just look at what's going on, and I'm going to give you guys some price targets here, and look at what's going on here. Good morning, Sushi, in the chat. Dreams in the chat. I love dreams in the chat. Share your dreams with me in the chat. Some of my dreams you're going to hear about today, and those are going to come in the form of price predictions, okay? But these are price predictions that I do believe, okay, folks? So smash the like button if you're interested. And just note here, too, going into 2024, I want you to remind you guys, right now you're seeing Solana ecosystem up here, BRC20 ecosystem up here, gaming. These are all ecosystems, all different parts of the crypto market that everybody is so excited about, okay? At some point, I'm just going to give you guys a warning. Here's one of my predictions. One of these categories is probably going to fall behind some new category that takes its place. There's a category that is not even up here yet that you're not even aware of. And now, could it be SRC20 tokens? Maybe. Could it be Bitcoin stamps? I don't know. Could it be some new layer 2s that come out that just make Ethereum the best or something? Maybe. Who knows? Who knows exactly what the winner is? If you know what the winner is, you let me know in the comments down below, and your peers out here, okay? But we do know that Bitcoin's going to go up. And we also know that when Bitcoin's actually getting a nice move right now. Look at this. Look at this. Let's go to some charts. Because I think we're getting a nice move right in this very moment. Look at it. Here we go. It's the new year, guys. $42,300 is right here. Look at the last hourly candle. Yeah, we just had a nice little boost up here on one of these candles. Let's see. Let's go a little lower. Look at that nice 15-minute candle for Bitcoin. Starting the new year the right way. Guys, I'm still not healthy. I don't want to sneeze. I'm going to sneeze on camera. I don't want to sneeze on camera. I have been trying to shake this cold, guys, or the flu. We know that Bitcoin's going to keep going up. We are just waiting for it to break out. We need to break about $44,200. Now, if Bitcoin breaks about $44,200 today, that would be insane. What if we just had an epic daily candle that just decided to bring us back up to the top of this triangle for Bitcoin? Look at the size of this daily candle already. We do have a very big daily candle today. Look at this thing. We're already up. Boom. It's like a 2% candle for Bitcoin, which is pretty big. We see much bigger candles than that when the bull market comes. Okay, guys, so let's talk about some predictions, guys. Let's get into this. We got some viewers, so let's get into this. Number one, I'm going to start with the overall market cap, okay? First up, in the previous bull markets, guys, we've seen upwards of a $3 trillion market cap. Chris Marsliak, the CEO of crypto.com, came out recently and said something along the lines of a $10 trillion market cap for Bitcoin and crypto. He didn't specifically say whether that comes in this cycle or the next cycle, but you know what? I love that target. In fact, I had predicted that target, if you've been watching my channel, for a very long time, and I've had this yellow line drawn at the $10 trillion threshold for crypto overall. I've had that drawn for quite a while. In fact, I've had a $20 trillion marker drawn as well, because I believe that it could land anywhere within here. I think we go above $10 trillion for an overall market cap for cryptocurrency in this bull cycle. And that alone has a lot of implications for the prices of some of these assets. That's very, very important when you're trying to come up with your 2024, 2025 predictions. Okay? First of all, I'll just say it. In 2024, I very much so expect this previous high to be taken out. Okay? Now, could we have a retracement this month, next month, Q1, blah, 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 Bitcoin sell the news event, whatever. Fine. I don't care. That doesn't change my strategy. What is my strategy? I'm buying into the fall of 2024. I'm buying through the fall, even into November of 2024, because I believe that a full-fledged bull cycle is coming surrounding the Bitcoin halving event, just like we've seen, and that means that 2025 is going to be bullish as well. And so I'm looking to break a $3 trillion. I'm looking to see a break above the $3 trillion market cap. I don't know where my resistances went. I had a resistance right there. I'm looking for a break above this $3 trillion market cap. And I expect it to land anywhere between 10 and 20 trillion. And there's a couple reasons for that. Well, one, look at all these predictions, guys, that people are coming out with right now. Okay, we see this every single year. Happy New Year, Francisco. Happy New Year, Sushi. Good to see you guys in the chat. Happy New Year, everybody. Welcome. Look at some of these predictions we're already getting. One calls for 1,000% rally for Bitcoin to $500,000. Now, is that going to happen in this cycle? Maybe not. Maybe not $500,000. I'll give you my prediction here in a bit, but it certainly could. It certainly could. How are people getting ranges like this? People are saying $60,000 for a peak. Some people are saying $500,000. Well, what's a good valuation? Well, Bitcoin, first of all, just remember, has outperformed gold in the S&P 500, which if you've been in this market, this is not a shocking article for you. But if you're new to the space, be aware of it. Look at the charts, guys. Bitcoin is one of the strongest assets on planet Earth to invest in. It's a more secure investment than an altcoin, okay? But it's also arguably a more secure investment than the S&P 500 in gold at this point. Look at its track record since when it launched in 2009. It's been absolutely incredible. Bitcoin is going to be massive. I picture $1 million Bitcoin in the future, but we're going to talk about my 2024 prediction here now, okay? So my 2024 prediction for Bitcoin revolves around this right here. Now, I'm just going to be honest with you guys. Gold has gone up, okay? And so the market cap of gold is right now at around $13 trillion, I believe it is. Oh, there it is, 13.1 or 13.9 trillion. Actually, it's gone up. It was around $12 trillion when I started talking about this thesis, okay? But the market cap of gold, guys, is $13 trillion. The market cap of Bitcoin, y'all, is only 850 billion. Bitcoin is better than gold, in my opinion. Let me know what your opinion is in the comments down below. Gold, oh, well, you can use it for, it's used in the manufacturing of cell phones. Yeah, okay, whatever. So is aluminum and whatever. So is plastic. And I'm not investing in plastic, okay? Because you're using it in cell phones. I'm not doing that. Some people are investing in lithium batteries. Fine. You can make, some people are like, I'm buying semiconductors. Fine. I'm talking about a store of value here, strictly for gold versus Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a better store of value than gold. It's easier to transact. It's easier to transport. It's easier to store. It's easier. It's better. It's faster. Its price appreciates more. It's a smaller asset class. It's getting its brand new spot Bitcoin ETF. Institutions are getting into this market right now. It's better than gold. But I'm not going to sit here and tell you today that Bitcoin's going to flip gold in this next bull cycle. It's not going to flip gold in the year 2024. I don't see that happening. I don't see that happening at all. If it does, wow, I would love to be wrong. But then what is my prediction for 2024? Well, I'm going to stay, and I honestly believe that this is conservative. I'm going to say Bitcoin in this cycle can get to probably half the value of gold. And I think I can tell you, if Bitcoin was half the value of gold in terms of the market cap, that is a $305,000 price for Bitcoin. And so I'm going to conservatively just say a $200,000 Bitcoin, if that's something that you're betting on, I don't think that's a bad bet. I think that a $200,000 Bitcoin potentially in the year 2024 could be potentially achievable. That's likely more of a 2025 prediction. So for my official 2024 prediction, I'd feel pretty good saying Bitcoin will break $100,000 in 2024. I feel good about that. I do. I feel good about that. That's as high as I want to go for 2024 because I believe that the bull cycle is going to happen truly, like the peak of the bull cycle is going to happen in 2025. And so what I'm telling you guys today is I would love to see, I could expect to see a $100,000 Bitcoin by 2024, before 1 year from today. Okay. So if you get a $100,000 Bitcoin, that's approximately a $4 trillion market cap for Bitcoin alone. Bitcoin being 50% of the market. I think Bitcoin's going to lose some dominance in this cycle. Maybe it goes a little bit higher, but I think Bitcoin could lose some dominance in this cycle because I think a lot of these speculators, people that have been in crypto for a while, are going to shuffle some of their big time profits out of Bitcoin into some of these smaller companies and some of these smaller altcoins that are coming around. And so I'm going to tell you guys, I wouldn't be surprised to see Bitcoin really come down in its dominance level at some point in the year 2024 in a big, big way. But Bitcoin's going to start this year out strong. I think Bitcoin's going to leave a lot of coins in the dust out of the gate. And then we're going to see altcoins come back with a vengeance and create the next wave of crypto millionaires. So, $100,000 Bitcoin in the year 2025, I'd love to see that. Again, it's been stronger than gold in the S&P 500 for a while. We see a lot of outlandish, $500,000 predictions. I would love to see that. I think that's possible too. Bitcoin's going up right now, $43,100. Absolutely spectacular. Great start to this new year right now. Let's talk about my Ethereum prediction for 2024. Well, I believe that Bitcoin and Ethereum both have the capability to break their previous all-time highs in the year 2024. And by the way, guys, I wouldn't be surprised at all if Bitcoin did go to $150,000 or $200,000 in 2024. But I also kind of want to stay a little bit conservative on these predictions because I don't want to just be a complete crazy psychopath moon boy. All right. Because, you're looking to take profits. I want to set us up for realistic expectations. I put out a tweet the other day, we got to stay realistic. I believe that we could get to a $10 to $20 trillion market cap. And so that, again, Bitcoin could maintain 50% dominance. We could see Bitcoin get halfway to the market cap of gold, and those valuations make sense, okay? But now what about Ethereum? Well, Ethereum's previous all-time high, guys, was at about $4,800 right here. We are about halfway there, okay? And so we're making some progress. Now, what is my 2024 prediction for Ethereum? Well, let's get into it. All right, so again, if Bitcoin hits $100,000 from current price levels, that's just, I mean, that's honestly, it's probably too conservative. Probably we're going to see $150,000 Bitcoin in 2024. Honestly, the more that I think about it, that would make a lot of sense. Bitcoin's really moving right now. Man, it really wants to make some moves right now. This is unbelievable. I'm watching this price go wild over here. Look at this thing. We are watching a crazy Bitcoin breakout right now. Look at this thing go. This is a good day. This is a good day for Bitcoin. Happy New Year, everybody. All right, so Ethereum. Ethereum, guys, its previous high was $4,800. So a 2x is easy, all right, for Ethereum, right? Then we are just at all-time highs. I really believe that if Bitcoin in the peak of this whole cycle, let's say Bitcoin gets to $200,000, which is roughly a 4x. At that point, I do believe that, Ethereum could potentially 7 or 8x. I believe that it's very possible we could see a $15,000 to $20,000 Ethereum at some point in the year 2024 or 2025. But my prediction for 2024 would probably be, I think it'd be reasonable to see, let's call it I'm going to say, I think we could see like an $8,000 Ethereum, maybe an $8,000 or $9,000 Ethereum in the year 2024. I wouldn't be surprised to see that. Possibly even a $10,000 Ethereum. You know what? Let's just call it a $10,000 Ethereum. I think that's good. Because I definitely expect Ethereum to do well over a 2x from previous all-time highs. When I say well over, I mean at least a 3x or a 4x, okay? So, again, $15,000 to $20,000 feels really, really good for Ethereum in the peak of this cycle, which again, I don't think the peak is coming until 2025. Probably a little earlier in 2025, I think. We'll see. We'll see how it plays out. It depends how this full cycle plays. But Ethereum, year 2024, I'll call it $1,000. I feel like we could see a $100,000 Bitcoin in 2024 easily, and definitely would love to see and feel like we could see a $1,000 or a $10,000 Ethereum in the year 2024. That would be great. And honestly, guys, let's keep our lives simple. And honestly, maybe now I'm being too conservative with Crow because this thing's just been coiling up. But I feel like $1 is definitely baked in. But the question I really have is, with the sentiment on this coin right now, can we really pass $1 in 2024? It's like, I've got a really big bag of Crow, guys, okay? Probably too big compared to my other coins. To just be, to start this year off, I got a big bag of Crow coins, okay? And I believe that Cronos coin can definitely achieve $1 in 2024. But can it really achieve, $2 to $5 in this next year? I'll tell you guys this. I would not be surprised to see $1. Let's just keep it conservative. Let's go for $1 in 2024 for Crow. Again, and the reason I'm not going to go higher than that, and I'm picking higher highs for Ethereum and Bitcoin, is because Crow coin usually lags behind in its gains. Its gains come as a big grand finale in the fireworks show, usually. Okay? So I do expect to see $1 Crow in the year 2024. I would love to see that. Again, none of this is financial advice, guys. You gotta use your own reasoning to kind of come up with these valuations. Right now, Crow is moving up alongside with Bitcoin right now. Everything's trying to take a move up. That'd be great if we can get a continued move up. Everybody's worried about the buy the rumor, sell the news event. I'm just holding on. I'm just loading my bags through the fall of 2024. That's my strategy. I'm waiting for a big breakout for Crow. I mean, is it possible in a world where we could get a $2 Crow in the year 2024 and that's not even the peak for the cycle? Yeah, it is, because I do believe that we could have a $2 to $5 Crow in this next bull cycle. And that's just because I look at the valuation of Binance's BNB token and it makes sense. It just makes sense. If you don't understand that, I'm not going to go into the details on it. You should be watching the channel. You guys should understand that. Just look up Crow versus BNB on this channel. You will see my valuations. Look at the market cap of Binance Coin. Look at the market cap of Crow Coin. Look at the licensing. Look at everything that Crypto.com has in place. Cronos Coin should be a big, big mover. If you're going to go sell your cryptocurrency, let's just say this. If you're going to go sell your cryptocurrency, put it in the comments, guys. Let me know. Put it in the comments. If you're going to sell your cryptocurrency today and you needed cash, tell me what you would do. You would sell your Ethereum for what? Cash in crypto. Where? On crypto.com, in Coinbase? Where would you sell it? You sell your Solana for what? USDC coin, and you transfer it where? What? To Coinbase or crypto.com? One of those two exchanges is going to be your answer. Either Coinbase is going to be your off-ramp or crypto.com is going to be your off-ramp. If you're a United States of America citizen, what is your off-ramp? How do you move the money into your bank account? Tell me in the comments down below, because your answer is probably Coinbase or crypto.com. How could you not be bullish on those two things, guys? Those are the off-ramps and on-ramps to crypto. That's just how it is. So I'm very bullish on this project. But it is a late bloomer. Let's see if it outshines a bunch of its competition. That'd be great to see. So far, guys, if you're catching up, I'm saying we're going to get $100,000 Bitcoin in 2024. Who knows? Maybe even 150. But 100,000 is my conservative prediction. Ethereum, I think we can get a $10,000 Ethereum. Yeah, a 4x in the year 2024. You think I'm crazy? Do you see what Solana did? Look what Solana did. 1,400% gains, guys. A 14x. You bought it at the bottom. You got a 14x. That's what Solana did. It's a smaller market cap. It's easier to do. Oh, I didn't even share my screen. I'm sorry. Look what Solana did. Look what Solana did. Look at what it did. It did a 14x, guys. I can't even get this to work. I can't even get it to work. 15x, 1,500% gains. Oh my gosh. Can't believe it. That's crypto. Ethereum could certainly get a 4x up to a $10,000 price level. A 2x over previous all-time highs. Big whoop. I'm looking for a 3 to 5x for Ethereum over previous all-time highs. It'd be great to see. $15,000, $20,000 Ethereum. Remember, guys, people are speculating over a spot Ethereum ETF. You see what happened to Bitcoin this year? An $850 billion asset over a Bitcoin spot ETF being proposed? You see this? It's crazy. This is the world we live in, guys. People are riding the wave of hype. They understand this technology is here to stay. Let's talk about a Solana price prediction. Now, Solana's been spectacular, guys, this year. We've already had a lot of upside, so it's completely over. Solana's dead. It's going to go to zero. I'm just kidding. I'm totally kidding, guys. Solana is an incredible technology. It's great. It's got a little bit of a problem with the inflation thing, but whatever. People are going to buy what they want to buy. People bought Shiba Inu and Dogecoin. Dogecoin was very imbalanced in the holdings and the bags, but then Elon Musk tweets and boom, people love Dogecoin. There's really not a lot of rhyme or reason for some of these things that pump, and sometimes there is, but sometimes there's not. And Solana, there's definitely reason. The technology is great. When you look at the Phantom wallet and you look at the dApps and the DEXs within the Solana ecosystem, they're really doing a great job. The fees are very low. It's very easy to transact. They did a lot of airdrops. The NFT community is very, very strong. We've been talking a lot about a lot of these ecosystems lately. Picture an entire ocean. You've got a variety of islands within this ocean. There's the Solana island, the Ethereum island, the Bitcoin island. People are building on each of these islands. You can invest in the businesses and the infrastructure within these islands. Solana's island and the infrastructure within that island is looking pretty good. Bitcoin's island and the infrastructure within that island is yet to really have its first bull cycle. BRC20 tokens, SRC20 tokens, Bitcoin stamps, Bitcoin ordinals, stacks. I'm very bullish on ordinals. I'm very bullish on stacks. Let's talk a little bit about a Solana price prediction, though. It's already rallied. I think it's got a lot more upside, guys. I'm going to tell you $1,000 Solana. That's the real question. That's the real question. Can we see $1,000 Solana in this cycle? Well, I'll tell you guys this. If let me show you this way. The current market cap of Ethereum is $280 billion with a B. The current market cap of Solana is $46 billion with a B. If Solana took the market cap of Ethereum today, the market cap of Solana would be around $600. Okay? Is Solana going to flip Ethereum in this bull cycle? I don't know. Maybe. People are excited about it. People are talking about a Solana spot ETF, but people are also talking about an Ethereum spot ETF, and that could bump Ethereum up big time. A layer 2 solution can come along and really solve a lot of the problems on Ethereum, and boom, Ethereum could come back and, win the race per se, right? But I do think there's a room for a lot of Ethereum competitors to come up. There's McDonald's and Burger King, there is Subway, and there's Jersey Mike's, guys. It doesn't just have to be Ethereum. Well, I really like the deli meat at Jersey Mike's a lot more than the deli meat at Subway. It's not my style. Oh, yeah? Well, Subway was the original $5 footlong, and that's pretty enticing for some people, too. Ethereum has higher gas fees, but Solana, guys, has very, very cheap gas fees. Ethereum is deflationary. Solana is very inflationary. Guys, why not just have a little bit of both? Why not just diversify a little bit? Because why are we trying to predict this? So remember, if Solana flips Ethereum, let's just say Solana achieves the market cap of Ethereum, you got a $600 Solana. Now, I do believe that at some point in this bull cycle, Solana will achieve the current market cap of Ethereum. I do believe we will at least see a $600 Solana in this bull cycle. And I'll tell you guys, I really feel good. Something about the $800 number for Solana feels good to me. But my prediction for 2024 for Solana, I'm just going to go and say we could see Solana. I think it's fair to say we could see Solana at $500 in the year 2024. Okay, so let's go back. So far, we've got $100,000 Bitcoin. I kind of want to say 150, but we said $100,000 Bitcoin. We're going to say a $10,000 Ethereum. That's a bold one. We're going to say a conservative dollar price prediction for Cronos. We're going to also say, I believe we could see a $500 Solana, another 5x for Solana in 2024. Okay, these are my bull market highs. I believe the bull market's going to continue into 2025. Now, if we blow the lid off these predictions and we have a crazy bullish 2024, then maybe it's a 2024 bull cycle. I don't know, guys. I can't predict exactly how this thing's going to play out. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. It's not financial advice. I don't have a crystal ball. I can't predict the future. But I can give you guys some of my ideas. And that's kind of what I want to do. A lot of people want to know, can Bonk come back? Absolutely. Bonk's probably due for a comeback right now. Look at the 4-hourly candles. We're on this moving average. On this daily, if we start breaking down on this daily, you shouldn't be surprised to see this thing come down and test on this red band. But I really wouldn't be shocked to see just an absolute rip-roar rally, just a massive 100% gains back to previous all-time highs, almost a 200% gains back to previous all-time highs. I wouldn't be surprised to see that at all. I will continue to invest in the Solana, Avalanche, Cardano ecosystems. I mean, I'm in the Cronos ecosystem. I'm going to continue to build my bags into a variety of these different assets, guys. Because I believe, again, there is Subway, there is Jimmy John's, there's Jersey Mike's. They're all successful food chains. Sometimes some are more popular. I hope you guys are enjoying these metaphors. Oh, let's see what's going on in the chat. Let's look at the chat, guys. How we doing? I'm going to go down to we'll go to the hourly candles. We are looking good here on Bitcoin for now. It's a good start to the year, guys. Happy New Year to everybody who's just joining us. Happy New Year, everybody. Psycho Pearl says, Crow could top out at $3. Sure. $2 to $5. I see it. Let's see what else we got. Robinhood is also an off-ramp. Robinhood is a good one. Robinhood is also an off-ramp. A spectacular off-ramp, actually. Yeah, touche. I like your thoughts, BSS. Good. You know what, man? Great call. Robinhood is a spectacular off-ramp as well. Arguably, actually, it's probably better than crypto.com. There, I said it. Crypto.com charges some pretty fees with some limitations. Robinhood's is probably much better. So maybe the move is selling it for Bitcoin, transferring your Bitcoin over to Robinhood, and then cashing out that way. Very interesting. Very, very interesting take. I'm also very bullish on Robinhood stock and Coinbase stock. Sushi Satoshi, my brother, you didn't have to do that. You just hit us up with a $20 super chat, brother. God bless you, man. God bless you and your family this year. Happy New Year, brother. Appreciate you. Thank you very much. On behalf of Black Sea and myself and Mrs. Crypto Kip, can't forget my lady. Thank you very much, Sushi. Appreciate that. Marty says, let's be real. Jersey Mike's is king. Only one with pastrami and a cup of cola. I don't know the ones that get my cup of cola. I hear you. You forgot to write a message. Oh, man. All right, guys. So what do you think? Okay, so $100,000 Bitcoin in 2024, a $10,000 Ethereum, a $1 Crow, a $500 Solana. What other predictions do you guys want from me? What do you want from me? Let me know. Robinhood is the best off-ramp. You know what? Yeah, David, I like what you're saying, David. I think that, and let's just do this, okay? How about this? Let's go for some Robinhood predictions, and I'm going to give you guys some easy ones. So a lot of people are like, what crypto should I buy? Well, how about this, guys? You can buy stocks that are related to crypto, too, that are brand new. Now, well, these market caps are a lot bigger. It's going to be a lot harder for these market caps to move, Crypto Kip, because you even said it yourself. These market caps are a lot bigger. Well, when you're talking about an institution, when you're talking about a traditional stock, those market cap conversations change a little bit because there's already, $110 trillion in the U.S. economy or something like that. It's something crazy. It's something absolutely crazy. But I'm going to make a bold prediction for you right now. You want to make an easy? What is this? How many times does 12 go into 75, folks? I don't know, 6 times? Is that math? Easy 6x. You want a 600% gain on your money? Robinhood stock. It's a great off-ramp, like you guys said. They're going to offer more cryptocurrencies. They're probably, who knows, maybe they're going to integrate with Elon Musk and Twitter. Twitter is going to come out too, by the way. X, Elon Musk with his own app. That's going to be a wild time. But guys, don't sleep on Robinhood stock. This stock, just like Coinbase, only launched in 2021. Just like the Cronos chain, still in its infancy. Robinhood, still in its infancy. Coinbase, still in its infancy. These things are going to be huge. These are stocks that are going to make people rich, guys. I believe it. With all my heart. I'm not a financial advisor. Don't, write in a comment. I invested all my money in this and I lost it because Crypto Kip told me it was going to. No. I believe this. This is my beliefs. My beliefs aren't facts. They're beliefs based on logic, my logic, based on my research. You need to do your own research, folks. Why would I invest in Robinhood? Well, I think it's a great investment vehicle, especially if you're investing in your Roth IRA, okay? You want to max out your $6,000, your $6,500 a year into your Roth IRA, whatever the limit is. Somebody correct me in the comments down below. I don't know what the limit is this year. But you want to max that out? Well, if you want to get exposure to crypto, well, there's going to be a couple plays, guys. MicroStrategies, Riot, Marathon, Robinhood, Coinbase. Robinhood has one of the largest Ethereum wallets on planet Earth. When Ethereum goes to $10,000, do you think that Robinhood is going to be profitable? Because the answer is absolutely yes. Not only will Robinhood break out to all-time highs, now in the year 2024, maybe, yeah, I'm going to say Robinhood and Coinbase should break all-time highs in the year 2024. In my opinion, I believe that's going to happen. I believe that's going to happen. Could I be wrong? Absolutely. I'm less confident about these than I am my crypto coin predictions. It's a little different. But Coinbase as well. Coinbase was up to about $420. I think that we've got a easy 2 or 3x up to that and then some for Coinbase. Some people are calling Coinbase the next Amazon. These are going to be insane gainers in the year 2024. If you are building up your bags for this next bull cycle, you got a lot of great options to pick from, folks. I think there's a lot of millionaires that could be made in this year. It's going to be spectacular. I'm bullish on you if you are here today. Very, very, very good. Sushi Satoshi asks, Kip, what's the message that you want to tell yourself for January 1st of 2025? The message I want to tell myself for January 1st of 2025? What do you mean? My message, my personal feeling going into this year. Okay, guys? What's my thoughts for this year? Where's my mind at going into this year? My mind is, don't get too excited about the meme tokens, okay? Look for projects with utility. Make sure that you're diversified into a variety of ecosystems. Don't be on the sidelines on a brand new ecosystem that's coming up. If you have zero exposure to Avalanche or zero exposure to Cardano and zero exposure to Solana because you're like, Cronos all the way, bro, you're messing up, okay? That's not financial advice, but I believe, my beliefs are that you're messing up. Because if you're not diversified, I mean, what if the company goes under? I mean, nobody could have predicted what happened to FTX. Nobody did. Nobody knew he was on an island doing all that crazy things he was doing. Nobody knew that. Nobody knew that Do Kwon's Terra Luna collapse was going to happen. Nobody knew that. Nobody knew that Celsius. Nobody knew that Winklevoss, Gemini, Genesis. Nobody knew that all this stuff was going to happen. Nobody knew that CZ was money laundering and whatever, going to jail. Nobody knew this. And nobody thinks that Cronos is going to explode. Nobody knows nothing, guys. So, diversification, but not over diversification, you know. I'm not going to be going crazy on memes in 2024. It's about to get real. The real money's about to go after the real things and some unreal things too. Shiba Inu's probably going to pump. Dogecoin's probably going to pump. Dogecoin to $1. You know? Those are things. But what's my message for myself into 2024? Stay calm. Just stay calm. You did it. That's my message to myself for 2024. You did it. You dollar cost averaged. You made 4,000 videos for your YouTube audience with your partner on the channel. God bless him. Black Sea, if you're watching, brother. We did it. We're doing it. Building up the bags. We've invested a lot of money into cryptocurrency. And let me just be very clear. Is this thing on? We are ready for the bull cycle and to make millions of dollars. Millions. We'd like to make millions with an S. That's what we want to do. We have been dollar cost averaging. We have been researching, even into the crazy things, the BRC20 stuff. Crazy. Crazy time. It's going to be a long year. Patience is key. Long-term mindset is key. That's what I believe. And Marty's message is more chicken piccata. We haven't had chicken piccata in a while, Marty. I'll tell you, we do like chicken piccata here. We do. We like chicken piccata. A message for my 2025 self is keep the foot on the gas. Keep the foot on the gas. Just keep the foot on the gas. Stay positive. Stay positive. Communication, gratitude, and positivity, my favorite words in the English language. My favorite words in the English language. Besides Crow, has anybody invested in H-bar and quant? Yeah, a lot of H-bar, a lot of quant fans out there, Francisco. I see them all the time. They're everywhere. Yeah, Marty saying sub $100 quant was a juicy buy. Absolutely, absolutely. HC caught alive. Good morning or good afternoon or whatever. Wherever you're at in the world. Oh, I forgot. I got to put on do not disturb just in case. Yeah, guys. So what other coins are we looking at? What other predictions do you want? I gave you a Bitcoin prediction. I gave you a Coinbase prediction. Robinhood, Ethereum, Solana, Cronos. BRC20 predictions. Let's get into it. I'm going to do it. Let's go. Let's go. I'm a BRC20 bull. I'm a Mac. I sold everything for BRC20. Not true. Not true. Let's look at the BRC20 category. See what we got. 1,000 sats. What is it? It's a meme token. It's a meme token about the smallest unit of measure that makes up Bitcoin. Satoshis, guys. It's a meme. Okay. Is there utility for this? Not to my knowledge. Could there be? Yes. Shiba Inu did it. Why can't sats? There could be utility in the future. Is this valuable? Who knows? It's worth $1.6 billion right now. I got $5,000 in it that started off as probably, I don't know, $200. I got a crazy, ridiculous gain on this thing. I had never imagined that this was going to make this much money. Honestly, it's part of the reason that I'm attracted to the BRC20 ecosystem now is because I've already made, I think that's over 100x. I'm not doing the mental math right now. Made a lot of money. Ordinals. I bought this thing at $10. It's at $76. Nailed it. Absolutely crazy. Sold some of it and took some profit in some other stuff. Do I regret that? So far, yes. I wish I had more ordinals still, but I'm okay because I still have like $5,000 of this and I'm diversified in some other projects out there. A lot of these are meme tokens. Multi-bit is real. This one could have a big valuation in the future. We'll see. BRC20.com. I'm bullish on this one. Very bullish on this one. People are asking for price predictions on this. It's only at a $70 million market cap. This is one of those 100x examples because this thing could easily go to $1 billion. There's no reason why, like, if Bitcoin is the number one coin and the BRC20 ecosystem building on Bitcoin becomes popular, there's no reason these coins can't hit $1 billion market cap. Like a lot of these ones that are real, the real ones, like BRC20.com seems real. Ordi is real, but also careful, careful, because it's, I don't know how much utility there actually is for the Ordi token, which is interesting. So no utility is kind of a red flag, but at the same time, ordinals. It's going to be big. It's a big prediction for me. Stacks, you don't see stacks in BRC20. Why isn't the stacks token in the BRC20 area? They're messing up. Wait, they're not messing up. That's not how it works. I learned a little bit about this recently. BRC20 category only, it doesn't talk about the coins built on stacks or stacks. Stacks is a layer 2, kind of like Polygon. The Polygon token isn't an ERC20 token. It's a Polygon thing. Okay? It's a PRC20? I don't know what it is. I don't know what the acronym is, the title for the Polygon tokens. PRC20, I think. Who knows? But stacks isn't included in the stacks I'm also bullish on. And then stacks, you have the STX20 tokens, which isn't even a category yet. So maybe that's one of the categories that pops up here, STX20 tokens. And then you have Bitcoin stamps, which is a whole nother thing, kind of like ordinals, except this is SRC20 tokens. This is a different way of inscribing tokens into the Bitcoin blockchain that is arguably more long-term, more permanent because of pruning, which is very complicated. I'm learning, guys. I have been learning. Another goal for 2024 for me is to continue to learn, okay? Like, for example, I want to learn more about a lot of these other projects out there. Like, look at the last 7 days. SCI. Everybody's talking about SCI. SCI is going crazy right now. There's a lot of gains to be had. Internet Computer Protocol. I can't really tell you what Internet Computer Protocol is off the top of my head. I just never really cared enough to do the research, and it's already ranked number 17. This thing had a very turbulent time at one point in time. Filecoin, I am bullish on Filecoin. Filecoin's going to have a look at Filecoin, guys. Filecoin's going to absolutely explode. I might just shove 10 grand into here and call it a day at some point. I'm telling you. This thing is at $176 at the peak last cycle. It's only at $7 right now. Woo-wee! I'll tell you what. That looks good to me. Sure do. Sure do. What else we got? How we doing? How we doing out there? $43,100 Bitcoin. Benny Blue Eyes says, Crypto Kip, I heard Elon made a comment about NFTs being better, safer when it's inscribed. Benny Blue Eyes, you are correct, my friend. And matter of fact, all right, guys, I'm going to call all y'all out, okay? We're going to go to YouTube. What we're going to do is we're going to go to the crypto report. And we're going to get a good chuckle on this, guys. Okay, first of all, here's all our videos, okay? And note, okay, 2.6K videos, 13,500 subscribers, feeling good, feeling good. Here we go. New Bitcoin ecosystems explained. All right, here we go. BRC20 new projects. Let's go back. Let's go back in time. Now we're back to 2 weeks ago. 100x BRC20s explained. Let's keep going. What else we got? 4 weeks ago, a month ago, talking about BRC20, 921 views. I talk about Crowcoin, we got 3.7K views. Guys, there's not a lot of eyes on this BRC20 ecosystem left. Benny, I'm talking about this because you said the comment about Elon and the NFTs. I've been talking about that in some of these videos, guys. I've been talking about that in some of these videos, and if you guys are not watching these videos about BRC20s, and granted, I'm not perfect at explaining these things. I am learning, guys. I'm not an expert. I'm not a scientist. I'm not Elon Musk. I'm not a rocket scientist. I'm not a doctor. I'm not a surgeon. I'm a crypto guy that loves crypto. I love to do research on crypto, and I'm trying to learn some of this stuff. And so the best way to learn is to teach. So I try to teach. In some of these videos, there's a couple mistakes. Like at first, I didn't exactly understand what SRC20 tokens were. And that is something that I got to figure out. But I am figuring that stuff out, guys. And I'm trying to teach you guys about it. And I've only got, 461 views on this versus, we get 1,000 views on a Crowcoin video. If you're not watching the BRC20 and the Bitcoin videos, you're missing out, guys. I'm telling you, you are missing out. Don't miss out. Don't miss out. Wardy and Stacks, y'all. I am bullish on both of those. I am. Got a lot of members on this channel, by the way. We have a lot of members and a lot of gifted memberships that happen on this channel. By the way, guys, we are seeing a lot of volatility coming in 2024. If you want to get bullish and you want to long Bitcoin and crypto, guys, you do have free money when you sign up for Phemex. Phemex is an excellent leverage trading platform. You can also do spot trades there as well. If you've never used it, it's really easy to use on your iPhone. It's one of the best places for leverage trading. Leverage trading is very dangerous. I don't leverage trade myself because of how dangerous it is. I'm more of a DCA holder, but if you want to try it, if you're an experienced trader and you feel comfortable with it and you haven't tried Phemex yet, take advantage of the free money in the link in the description down below when you sign up. Also, if you're a member on our channel, you do get access to our private Discord, which is going to increasingly grow in the year 2024 for sure, guys. We're having a lot of fun talking with the community in there, so that's fun. All right, let's check out the charts. Let's see how we're doing. Let's see how we're doing. All right, Bitcoin, making more moves, making more moves. So here's where we're at for Bitcoin, guys. Oh, no. What happened to my, I keep losing blue bands. I don't know what's going on here. I keep losing my bands. But there was a pretty key band somewhere like here. This is pretty much kind of what it was. Something like that. Yeah, we're moving up right now, folks. This is good to see. All right, well, those are my predictions, guys. I laid them out for you. I'm feeling good. If you're wondering when this bull cycle ends, it probably goes through the year 2024, in my opinion, guys. I don't have a fact for you on that, but that is my belief. All right, guys, that's all I got for you in this one. Let's hope crypto keeps pumping into the new year. It's been a great year so far. That's all I got for you in this one, though. I am Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget to smash that like button for me, guys. Subscribe to the channel for more content. And as always, don't forget to DCA, HODL, And I will see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody. Have a great night. More videos, as always, later today. Make sure you check them out. Peace, y'all. Thanks for the super chats. Thanks for the love, y'all. Happy New Year. Best of luck. Godspeed. And God bless. I'll see you.